Hey, what's up, baby dogecoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another video about baby dogecoin. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update of the baby dogecoin. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now, my friends, in this video, I'm talking about the big news. So, first of all, let me show you the big news. You can see, my friends, the changes of the baby dogecoin is positive 4.2% in the last 60 minutes. The 24 hours change is also positive. Last 1 week change is also positive. So every change is positive in a baby dogecoin. My friends, now in cryptocurrencies market, I'm talking about the current time. Currently, only SafeMoon and baby dogecoin is positive. All cryptocurrencies last 1 hour and last 1 day changes is negative, but SafeMoon and Baby dogecoin is unique that every change occurred in this coin is positive. So that's why I recommend in my every videos that Baby dogecoin buy now, Baby dogecoin buy now, SafeMoon, because this coin, the price of this coin is also low and the changes is positive. So that's why I recommend for everybody that please hold, never decide to sell. And possibilities that baby dogecoin will make you millionaire in 2022. So my friends, just hold it, never decide to sell. And if you want a more baby dogecoin, so that's really good for everybody. Here the latest price of the baby dogecoin is still zero. So my friend, that's not mean that exact price of the baby dogecoin is zero. That's mean that the price of the baby dogecoin is very low. That's why zero showing here. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.